Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 10. So I'm going to jump into that content really quick. And week 10 is going to be a little bit about what you've already covered. So it's going to be preparing for the APA presentation that's due coming up. So of course you have your week 10 review in here, but I have another video which is important to watch, and a lot of the information will be similar, but it's things that I think will help you as you prepare your APA document. I used to have information in here about an effective presentation, how to record an effective presentation in the digital world, but what I had found is people really excelled at that a lot more than they did at the writing piece. So I concentrate more on the writing piece for this section of our course, and that'll give you more time to finish your assignment, which is a large part of your grade, right? This APA questions right here, so it's an assignment that's due, but it's not something that's graded, so don't stress about it. You can retake it if you need to, send me a message, but it's not a graded assignment, but it is necessary to complete. And that's really all for this week. I think overall you guys are doing great. I just want to issue a reminder, if you need to reach out to me, please email me or call me via cell phone or text me, whatever works best for you. I'm happy to talk to you at any point in time during the week. Just let me know. You're all doing great. You're great students, and I look forward to the upcoming next few weeks. And I'm looking forward to seeing your paper. I think it's going to be really great. Thanks so much.